This morning routine, man. What about you? Welcome, another bang here. Some of you can see this as a joyride, but it's a morning routine, man. It's a morning routine. You must have to do what I'm doing to earn a living, man. You can't seem to be embroidered, then you depend. When you are embroidered, you are just to sit there, just putting down your daddy nyash on the set. And the money could come to your pocket like $10 that been shopping. I must wake up to my morning. I don't wake up anyway. I'm on duty. I must have to do this kind of lighting. This part of my job. It's part of my career. In my location. Once you are patrolling, that is when you are probably on job. So it is a normal thing, and you must have to do it. At least appreciating where you get something to earn a living from, you must do it passionately. Yes. Now, it is what it is. Just doing this round, oversighting, patrolling, and confirming that everything is and it is time. Anyway, sasa mambo ni kama hayo sasa. Wewe sema yu yako joyriding, man. Mimi si yuko joyriding. Hivi ndio tunafanya kazi bana. Hii haisikue kama ni chokes, but ni kama funzo kwa wale wanafikiri anga tati huyu anaamka asubuhi ama huyu kazi yake ni kuride bicycle. Riding bicycle ni career. Hii inanisaidia kufanya my patrolling inakuanga very easy to ensure the premises everything is okay. Kila kitu lazima ikuwe sambamba. Yaani uko na baiko, wewe unapiga maround from office area, warehouse area, from store area, from release and preparation building, to archery area, to feeding area. Hapa sasa, it is where we manufacture the big Madoma birds. Yes. So kupiga maround hivi. Mimi ndio huyo. Mkono moja ndio iko kasi yake bahali pale na nyingine iko kwa simu. Yes. Mkono moja ndio ina drive. Mambo ni pore. Yes. Na esa drive nataka, yani hivi ndio kasi ilivyo bana ye. Nidunga gasa mayo. I know most of you people, you cannot tell what you are doing. You might be saying, oh, kasi yangu ni ngumu. Oh, kasi yangu ni... Can you blow advice, man? Yeah, mimi sometimes hapa najiprove, and I appreciate what I'm doing. Natoka kichaka huko, napiga maround resto area, na chesa na huko juu. Yeah, kasi yangu ndio hiyo tu. Maround tu na kabaikilo tu. Mambo ni nywere. Halafu niingie rough road hapa. Nisatoka farm area, nimetoka greenhouse area, nimeenda store area, nimeenda charity area, nimeenda main entrance area. Yeah, at least you are doing an exercise and ensuring your body is doing fit. You are health wise okay, mentally wise okay, mentally wise strong. Alafu and you call that day. Yeah. Sasa Mambo ni kama hayo sasa. That is the real talk, what we will do exactly. Yes, we might be hiding for some time, but at some time we can have to prove ourselves that in real sense, don't ever think that ile pesa tunapata inatoka kwa miti. Don't ever think that we are the children of the higher world and you are the child of the lesser world, man. Yo? Yeah. Mambo ni kama hayo. Niko Kichaka area. Lazima nipite Kichaka area hapo. Yeah. Kichaka area. Niteremke hapo hivyo. Yeah, nipite hapo Kichaka area ambayo tunachunga mbuzi hapo. Yeah. Yeah, rough road nasa hapa hivi rami naishianga huko juu. Tundega hakuna imeingianga hapo ndani. Ni sawa. Tunaenda tu. One time I take you to the really birds. Musiona and you brought these are the really. They are bad, they are very big birds, man. If they are bad, so what the 5 kg bird, the 6 kg bird. So you're gonna not think, man, that the birds are just but birds, but they are big birds, man. Yo. And that is how life is, eh? Everything ni kuchituma, maze. Kuchituma. No, kuchituma. Nothing you can handle, man. Time wasted. Somebody is 3 years looking for job, eh? 3 years looking for job. The very petty job you call people doing, you can have to do it. When you are waiting for a job, better do what you can do, which is regular. When you are waiting for a job, never shall you sit there thinking that the jobs comes from heaven. These people create jobs. They go to desert, they catch these birds. They have to do some other kind of making a real difference to this birds. Yeah. So these jobs was not a job, but they created a job that they employs a lot of people. This place only has employed like it has employed like 150 people. So people have raised above the level of their knowledge. They have put their books aside and they have created job. What am I emphasizing here? Never shall you sit there. Go out there and create a job and employ others. Don't wait for somebody to create a job to employ you. Yeah, that is the lesson I've learned from these people. Somebody came to sit and say like, you know, this part can be, this space can make some money. This garden area can make some money. Yeah, assemble of minds together. Bring your ideas, somebody brings his idea, put your ideas together. Go out there, learn, explore. Do your thorough investigation and research. Learn what people are doing to get these jobs. These jobs never came from the world, but the world provides you energy. At least you have to think twice, to think big, to think further, to think beyond. Yeah. Mungu hawezi kukupea good health, akupea kila kitu, akupea mpaka kazi. Yo, kazi tafuta, kazi unda kazi bana. Yeah? No, these people have made the lemonade out of the lemon. And there is us here enjoying the fruits and the whole mind assemble of some people. Yeah. By the end of the day, it's called a job. I'm here with my small cycle. I know it can be petty, but by the end of the day, here we have. Anyway, bye-bye.